Welcome to this brief OneStop tutorial. This tutorial is for registered dispensary agents that need to verify patient and allotment status before the sale of medical cannabis. Before having access to the patient lookup function, a dispensary agent must be registered in OneStop. If you need help registering, please refer to our OneStop registration tutorial. I've already registered and will need to switch from my personal account listed here to my dispensary agent account by clicking the drop-down next to my name. All of my available accounts will appear. I'm going to select the dispensary agent account and click the green switch button. From here, my dispensary agent dashboard will appear. I need to select the Registered Patients tab. Once the Registered Patient tab appears, I will be able to enter the patient's 16-digit alphanumeric identification number to confirm their patient status and cannabis allotment available. Here are some additional resources that are available to you as you begin to navigate the OneStop system. Thank you for viewing this tutorial.